What do you say, Brock?
What do you say
What do you say to it?
I said a piece of me.
Oh, you want a piece of me? That's how you said it? Okay, watch out.
Okay, buddy, now you do it.
There, do you touch it? Touch it. Touch it.
Come on, push me.
How do I kick his feet first?
Come on, push me. Come on, push me.
Hit it with the other hand now.
Come on, push me. Come on, push me. It's my push me. Come on, push me.
Now hit it with your left hand.
Now go with your left hand. With the other hand, go. With your throwing hand. Hit it with your throwing hand. With your throwing hand.